All right, guys, check it out. I'm up in the depot checking out some of the items they got on sale. Check this out right here, guys. We got the 15 drawer tool chest. This is going for around 800 bucks, down from 1,000. Not bad. I do like the color though. We got right here. Okay. Got the locks on it. Right there, you can lock everything up. I wonder if that lock works for just this one, or does it work for these down here? I don't think so. So you might want to keep all your valuables in the top one. But let's go ahead and make sure. So I'm gonna take the key right here. All right, let's do this first. These are open, so let's go ahead and lock it. Just lock it. Okay, I was wrong. This one lock locks the whole toolbox. So that's good to know if you didn't know that already. Just lock the garage up. Just lock the shop up. All right, what else we got over here? We got a, let's see, what's this? This is a 10 drawer one for about 500 bucks. Once locked up. Okay, this is a 12 drawer one. Okay, all that. Yeah, and they are all on wheels, by the way. That one's going for around 550 bucks. Got the handles on the side. It's the same. No, this one's it's a 15 drawer one. It's a little bigger, a little taller than that one. Got the bars on the side that you can, in case you need to haul it around, you can just grab it here, like that. What's this right here? Okay, in case you need, okay, look. It even has the sockets on it, and you can plug in your phone, you can plug in your laptop. So this is the plug where you can plug it in, right? Plug it into the wall from there. Okay, that's around 900 bucks. And you got your little smaller toolboxes and your pack outs right here. Everybody needs these if you're into DIY or you're a tradesman. Doesn't matter. Let's take a look at this pack out. All right, nice and deep. How about this guy? Nah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. And when you open it up, it stays up because it has a stand. You just gotta pull it and come back down. All right, let's see what's happening with this guy. Gotta press it down like that and lift. Let's see here. Can't lift that up because it's not supposed to be lifted up. So you just press this down and pull it out. And there you go. All right, so that's $200 and that's about $250. Wow, it's interesting that this one is around $200 and this one, though it seems smaller, is for $250. Interesting. All right, so here's a compact one. This one almost looks like a lunchbox. We go right here like that. All right, I like the little compartments they got. Pull that out. And these are the separators, I guess, that you can use to separate this whole space right here. Yeah, I like this one. That's for about $75. Now, things like this are great for storing little small items, screws and attachments and stuff like that. That's what I like these for. So all of these are under $100. So I think it's worth it. Some of these systems come where you can stack them one on top of the other. Like that. Or like that.